Welcome to the finale of our BodyMaitre series on the Year of the Fire Horse. I'm Darreck. If you've been with us for the last two episodes, you've done the hard work. You've anchored the abundance in episode 1. You've cleared the shadow of burnout and anger in episode 2. Now we answer the most important question: how do we actually ride this horse? You see, 2026 is going to be fast, but speed without direction is just a crash waiting to happen. Today, I'm going to give you the 3 strategic keys to mastering 2026, followed by a visioning meditation to set your timeline for the year. Let's get into the roadmap. The fire horse hates to stop. It wants to run constantly. So, key number 1 for your mental body is master the strategic pause. In 2026, your power doesn't come from how fast you move. It comes from how still you can be before you move. Promise yourself this: before every major decision this year, you will take 24 hours. The fire horse will scream, "Do it now." You must be the rider who says, "Wait." Key number 2 for your emotional body is community over competition. The horse can be very independent, sometimes lonely. It thinks it can win the race alone. But in 2026, the biggest wealth opportunities will come from collaboration, not isolation. If you feel isolated, you are off track. Find your herd. Key number 3 for your physical body is rhythm. You cannot sprint a marathon. You need to adopt a rhythm of sprint, rest, sprint, rest. If you try to sprint the whole year, your physical body will force you to stop via illness. Schedule your rest before you get tired. Now, let's lock this strategy into your timeline. Prepare yourself for our final activation. Sit comfortably, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, I want you to visualize a timeline stretching out in front of you. This is your path for 2026. See it glowing with that warm golden firelight. It is not a straight, boring line. It is a dynamic path full of peaks and excitement. Visualize yourself standing at the start of this path. You are holding the reins of your life. You are calm. You are in command. Look forward to the first quarter of the year. See yourself moving with speed but stopping when you need to. See yourself saying no to distractions so you can say yes to greatness. Look at the middle of the year. See yourself surrounded by people who support you. You are not alone. You are celebrating wins with others. Look at the end of the year. See yourself looking back, healthy, wealthy, and energized, not exhausted. Now, let us seal this timeline with a prayer for divine strategy. Please repeat after me in your mind or aloud. Divine Spirit, architects of time and my higher self, I place my timeline for 2026 into your hands. I ask for the gift of divine timing. Grant me the wisdom to know when to run and the courage to know when to be still. Bless my path with the right people, the right opportunities, and the right resources. Let every step I take be guided by intuition, not impulse. I decree that this year will not control me. I will co-create with it. My road is open. My vision is clear. My victory is certain. And so it is. Take a deep breath, inhaling the certainty of your success. And exhale, letting go of any remaining doubt. When you are ready, open your eyes. You are ready. You have the anchoring, the clearing, and now the roadmap. The year of the fire horse is going to be intense, but for you, it's going to be transformative. Trust your training. Trust your 4 bodies. If this series has helped you, please share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you want to dive deeper into dowsing, researching, and mastering your personal energy for 2026, check out the links in the description below to join our BodyMaitre community. I'm Darreck. Thank you for walking this path with me. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.